If you want to eject SIM tray on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you need to do is you need to take a look at the left side of the tablet. Over here we have the SIM tray. Of course, it is only available in cellular models. And now we need to use the SIM eject tool that we can find inside the box. In my case, I have my own over here. We need to put the eject tool into this hole that we have over here. And then once you put it in, use a little bit of force in order to push it out, essentially, to push out the SIM tray. And then with your fingernails, you should be able to remove the SIM tray from the tablet. There we go. Finally, over here, we have the SIM tray. It looks like this. There we go. And as you can see, we have the SIM card slot over here, and also the microSD card slot as well. So we're gonna insert our SIM card first. We need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. It might be more convenient for you to put it on a table, for example, and be careful because these slots are really loose, so it is fairly easy to drop your cards, so be careful not to drop and lose them. I actually have to adjust the SIM card again. There we go. All right, perfect. And now we need to insert the SIM tray back into the tablet. So we're gonna push it in, back into its place. There we go. Just push it down with your finger and make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. It should go fully in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.